Hey there, my name is Victory and welcome to the Beautiful Black Girl. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this burgundy wig, and I will start as soon as I finish jamming. So we're going to need a wig cap, a pair of scissors, pins, a crochet hook, hairpins in place of wig pins, and braiding hair. I used Guess Gal in the number 900. So first we're going to cut the pack and take out the wig cap and place it on our mannequin head. Now for making wigs you need to have a styrofoam mannequin head because you need to be able to punch holes, and you can't do that with a plastic mannequin head. So a styrofoam mannequin head is roughly 1,000 shillings, but I'll put those details in the description box. So we're going to pin it down using sewing pins. There's specific pins that are for making wigs, but they're kind of costly, and this kind of pins can serve the same purpose and still work as well. So if you prefer not to buy the wig pins, this ones work fine. So this is the braiding hair. This is how it looks in the pack. In place of this, you can use Ceres. That's what I had originally wanted to use, but the best lady near where I live didn't have Ceres in the number that I wanted, so I got this instead. I'll put all the details in the description box so that it's easier for you to find the things that I am mentioning in this video. So when you take out one, you can see the two joined together. So that's how you know the hair is a lot, because you'll need to keep separating it. So here I'm just going to show you how I crochet the hair onto the wig cap. So you'll pass the hook through the wig cap. This is easier with the ones with holes, but if you can't find the ones with holes, this one works just as well. So you'll pull it through and then tie the knot. So one more time, you'll put the crochet hook through the wig cap, and then hook the hair onto the crochet hook, pull it through, and then pass the hair through and make a knot. Like I said, you can use the wig caps that have holes, but if you don't find that one, this one will work as well. So I'm just going to fast forward through this process because it's pretty much the same all through. So once the wig is done, this is how it will be. Now I'm showing you that you should leave space around the perimeter because that's where you're going to pin the wig onto your hair, and it will be really difficult if those sections have hair. So just leave them there the way I've left mine. Then once you're done with the wig, you just cut the loose strands and cut it into shape, so that because some strands would be longer than others, so it will look kind of weird. And yeah, that's basically the whole process. So here I am putting on the wig, and then I'm going to show you how to pin it down. I'm using I'm using bobby pins because I didn't have the clips that I used for wigs, and you know, with the lockdown it's not really easy to just go out and get them. So bobby pins are the closest option. So you just put them through the wig cap and then onto your head. It works pretty well, so you can be sure that your wig is not going to fall off or get loose or anything. And then of course you're going to leave the perimeter of your hair out, like the leave out, so that you can blend it into the wig. If you prefer not to do the leave out, you could always crochet some of the hair onto the perimeter of your head so that it's just all burgundy without the black. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to pin down my hair so that it's a bit tidy at the front, and then I'll be done. So yeah, this is how it came out. I really like how puffy it is, and I'm really proud of how it came out. I really hope you guys like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, stay indoors and keep safe. Have a beautiful weekend.